How to buy Bitcoin on Bitstamp. Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the steps on how you can buy Bitcoin on Bitstamp. So in order to buy Bitcoin on Bitstamp or cryptocurrency, all you have to do is first thing first, go ahead and log in into your Bitstamp account. Once you're logged in, that's going to directly take you to the interface, which is going to look something like this. Now right on this page, you need to go ahead and tap on the login button, enter in your credential and log in into your Bitstamp account. Once logged in, that's going to directly take you to the home page, and from the home page itself you'll be able to see multiple tabs located in the top right hand side corner. So from the list, you'll have to go ahead and select the option that says buy/sell. Just go ahead and tap on it. So as you click on it, you'll be provided with a lot of options, such as whether you want to do it instant order, limit order, whatsoever. So select the method accordingly or the network accordingly. And after you've done that, you'll be taken to the other field where you have to go ahead and enter in what you actually want to buy. So type in the asset that you wish to buy, and you have to enter in the exact amount that you wish to spend or that you wish to buy, and you have to enter in all of the information. And if you're sure about it, just go ahead and tap on the buy button located right at the bottom. Next page, there will be some sort of confirmation, that is the review page. So go through it, and if the information seems to be valid enough, confirm the order, and you'll be notified with a statement that you've successfully bought crypto or Bitcoin on Bitstamp. So that is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.